right, before we jump in though, same as always, do we have any questions from exams or tests that anyone would like to ask that came up? Anything that's been bugging you? Something you didn't know how to answer, or you've seen your exam and you've seen the memo and the memo makes no sense, and you're like, oh gosh, I need help with that. Does anyone have any question that they would like to ask that they need some help with? And if you don't, that's also totally fine. Just asking. It doesn't have to be from a test or an exam. It can be something that you were working on if it's just something you're not understanding at the moment. Sibulele, that's a big section. Factorization is a big section. If you can come up with one question from there, I can happily help. I don't think I'll be able to sort out the whole of factorization in such a short time.
And Sibulele, just a hint, we have all the factorization lessons on the website. Okay? So this weekend you have a homework, apparently.
Pumeza, I'm happy to help. What's the question? Okay, I think while you guys are typing that out, I can come back up here, but I'm going to pop down to where we're going to start today. And then if people have questions for this, I can always just come back. We can take a quick break and go over what someone's shared. Okay. Okay, so we're going to look at mixed equations today. They are going to start with the very, very basic equations, and they are going to get a little bit harder as we move through for today. Okay, I'm not going to do one and then let you do one because we've done these all before. We've done equations. We did a whole equations course. So this is just revision from what we've done. I've just mixed them all together. And so as soon as you have an idea, you can give me the answer or you can pop up your hand and give me the answer that way. Either way, happy. But give this one a try. Madao, how can I help? So Madao, I can see that you're unmuted, but I can't hear you speaking. I think it might be a headphone issue.
Madao, can we have a talk? So I guess if you're raising your hand, you could hear us, but we can't hear you. I'll just talk to you.
Okay. Alvarez, hello. Are you sneaking in now to give me the answer before these get more difficult?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 2 to the other side.
Good.
And then instead of it being -2, the sign is gonna change. So now it's gonna be +2.
Perfect.
And then now it's 3x equals 4 equals 6. My bad.
Good.
And now you have to say, now you have to divide 3x with 3, and then also 6 with 3 as well.
Good.
Equals to 2, and then 3 cancels with 3. Yeah.
So what's my answer?
X equals to 2.
100%.
Alvarez.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Tiana, is this a question?
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot to put my hand down.
Oh, no, that's okay. No problem. Okay, so that was the first one. Hopefully we found this one nice and easy. I'm hoping this was like so easy. You're like, what are you even giving me this question for? That was my hope. Okay, we're going to start nice and easy and then we're going to get a little bit more complicated as we move down. So this was just a simple linear equation. So linear equation means we've got a simple x that we are solving for. Okay, cool. Let's go down next one. Now we're bringing in a fraction.
We can do this. We can do it. We can do this, guys. Let's go. I see all the
Yeah, it's not too bad though. It's not too
on
bad.
It's really not. Give it a try. You see,
Don't overthink it. I promise.
yeah, Alvarez agrees with us.
This is silly, I know. I promise it's okay.
Pumeza is she's raising her hand up, but she's not using the, I don't know if you wanna, can I unmute her?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Pumeza, can you click on the button to talk to us? Hello?
Can anyone hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes.
Oh, damn. I'm not, by the way, I'm not a girl, I'm a boy.
Yeah, sorry.
That's
Mama.
okay.
So,
What would you like to ask?
I think I want to try to solve this one.
Okay, great. Tell me what to do.
I think you must move like the -3 next to the -1 and turn it to a +3.
Okay, so we're not allowed to do that just yet. We are going to move it at some point, but we first have to deal with this guy down here. That's the first thing we have to do.
Oh.
Do you want me to pass it on to someone else?
Yeah.
Okay,
for
thanks
now.
for giving it a go though.
Thank you.
Okay, Unati, can you talk me through this one?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have to get like the denominators the same so that they can both fall out?
Yeah, so you can either get a common denominator or you can just multiply this 2 up there. Either way is fine, but if you did a common denominator, that's great. So tell me what you did.
So, ma'am, my first step is that I said x minus 3 over 2 and then equals to I times the ones by 2.
Good.
So I got -2 over 2.
Good. Okay, so now we have a common denominator. Good.
And then since the denominators are the same, they both fall out. So what you're
Good.
going to be left with is x minus 3 equals to -2.
Beautiful.
Then you move the 3 over and it's going to become a positive. So it's going to be x equals to -1. To 1, sorry.
Thank you to 1. Yes, nice job. Good. Well done, Anati. Okay, so here I think finding a common denominator is probably the easiest because it will be the same for the more difficult questions. So it's just like one thing that you have to remember. But when you're in this question, you also can, if you have this x minus 3 over 2 is equal to -1, because we're dividing by -2 here, when we move it up, we could say that the opposite of divide is times. And so we could also just do it that way. We'll get to the same place. I'm trying to think of how other different ways you would do it. Alvarez, this way maybe? But either way, you get to your same place. Finding a common denominator is your most consistent way, because when they get more complicated, that's the way that we need to do. It sort of forces our hand to do it that way. Okay, nice job. Cool. You guys are doing well. Let's keep going. Number 3.
Rolling.
Yeah, not bad.
Alvarez, I love this confidence on you. It suits you.
Alvarez, is your hand up ready to answer?
Yeah.
That was so quick.
He's so ready.
Oh, I'm very excited.
Unati, 1 on the line also. Oh, Mohau. Mohau just arrived now. Yo. Okay, guys. Look at you.
All right, I think Alvarez's hand was up first. Let's go there first. All right, Alvarez, we're all yours.
Okay, so the first thing we have to deal with is like the brackets. So you have to multiply the 3 in the brackets with both x and -1.
Good.
So 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times -1 is -3.
Good.
And then the -24, you can just leave it there. And then you also have to deal with the other side, -2 and -1 is going to be -2. And then the other one is going to be -2x.
Cool. Okay, I
And
like that so far.
now you have to put the unknowns on one side and just the numbers on the other side. So 3x plus
Just
2x.
Gonna highlight them
Oh.
for people. No,
Oh.
no, it's okay. That's cool. Okay, so
Okay.
3x plus 2x. Cool.
Yes, ma'am. And then -2 plus 3 plus 24.
Beautiful. Okay. Next.
So on the first side, it's going to be 5x
Mm-hmm.
equals to 29.
29.
Wait, like I'm trying to 25.
There we go. There we go.
Well done. That's well
And then,
done.
and then the last thing you have to do is you have to divide 5 on both sides.
Good. Okay. So x is equal to
3, 4, 5.
5. Over is 25 divided by 5.
Okay, no, it's fine. It's 5. It's 5. It's
My
5.
word. You're able to do
Like-
all of this and then you get 25 divided by 5 and you say 3.
Like I'm guessing, ma'am. Like I just woke up from such a I woke up from such a good nap. So
My
brain
word.
really thinking
I
that
feel shook to my core though. 25 divided by 5 equals 3. Alvarez.
like from it was such a good nap though.
You should be able to say it like on your sleep while dreaming. What's 25 divided by 5?
I agree, Yolanda. I absolutely agree. In your sleep, you should be able to know that.
Well done, Alvarez.
Nice job, though. Very well done. How is this a question, or were you wanting to answer?
No, ma'am. I just wanted to answer because I knew from when I started, like from the first time I saw the sum, I just knew the answers. So it's okay, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. You can answer one of the next ones, though. Okay. Okay. Cool. Next one. You guys are doing so well. Fractions. Oh, Moabi, I feel you. I don't have load shedding right now. I have it this evening.
I'm always in the dark, guys. No sharing is playing with me, but these days, Escom decided to take a break on me. It's only going at 8 instead of the
Finally, they gave you a break.
I've been having so much break right now. I'm not a chabela anymore. Ooh, spicy. If this question were food, definitely wings. Ooh, Tiana. There we go.
Okay. Tiana, I will call on you. I'm just going to give everyone a little bit of time to finish this.
See answers on the chat.
Oh, Rabbit, don't worry. We all go through bad networking with load shedding. Don't panic. And you can always rewatch these videos online whenever you get a chance. Okay.
Yeah, that's true.
I think after this question, we're going to do a quick brain break because we're going to end our lesson a little bit earlier today because we need to talk about what next term looks like. So we're going to just kind of push everything up a little bit. All right, Tiana, we are all ears.
Ma'am, so the first thing we do is we're going to make all the denominators the same. So it's the LCD is 6. So we must say, yeah, by the 2's, we're going to say times 3. And by the 3's, we're going to say times 2.
Good. I'm just going to write that in for everyone.
And
Okay.
then the 9 times 3 on top is going to be 9x and then over 6.
Good.
And then 17 times 3 is 51. And then 2 times 2 is 4.
Mm-hmm.
And then the 5 times 2 equals 10x and plus 6.
Oh, we have to be careful here. So, okay. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to write it like this rather in this first step. Like that. Okay. The reason I'm going to write it like that is because your 10x was sounding great, but we have this negative, which we're going to have to distribute
Okay,
into
it's
both of those. Yeah. So when you have, and like when you've got two terms that are happening in your numerator and you have to multiply it by something, then my recommendation is put the number in the front and bracket it, and then you've got your common denominator. Now that you have your common denominator, when you're writing everything out, now you can do this distribution. So then do minus 10x minus 6.
Oh, yeah, okay. I
Okay.
get what you mean.
Okay. Try and talk me through from here though.
Okay, ma'am. So now we must put the x's one side and then the other numbers the other side. So we're gonna say 9x plus 10x.
Mhm.
And then we're gonna say equals to.
What about this guy?
Oh, I forgot. And we're gonna say I think minus, yeah. Minus,
Yeah. Minus 4x. Yeah, good.
minus
Okay.
4x.
And then on our
And-
other side?
We're gonna say negative 6 plus 51.
Good. Perfect. Okay. Cool. What is our left-hand side going to look like?
15x.
Yeah, good. 15x. Cool. Is equal
And then the
to?
other side is gonna be 45.
Good.
And
Now?
now I'm being like Alvarez, I forgot. Okay, it's 3. So x equals 3.
There we go. Yeah. So we need to divide
Well
both sides by
done,
15.
girl.
So x is equal to 3. Nice.
Done.
Nice. Well done. That was super good. Okay, so the trick with this question here was this part over here. So whenever you have a minus and you've got this numerator has got two terms and you're multiplying both terms, then put it in the front and put it in brackets. Okay. Unati, hello.
Ma'am, it's not related to the work, but I wanted to inform you that I have load shedding like a few minutes before 6. So I don't know if I'll be able to like hear like everything that you're gonna say.
Okay,
About
but remember,
everything.
so you can always watch the video afterwards. So if you miss anything important, you can watch it. And everything that I say, they should be sending you in communication, either via email or via apps, WhatsApp. So it will get to you in a different way. But if you are wanting to hear me say it, as soon as this video is uploaded, you'll be able to watch it then.
Okay, ma'am, then what about the quiz?
The quiz you can do whenever your power comes back.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my word. Oh my kids. I'm experiencing trouble with this load shedding. I'm so
I know. Kumeza, how can we help?
So, ma'am, what if like they are both different numbers?
If
Like
what
the 2
was,
and the 3's, like the denominators.
so like if there was a 5 in the middle there somewhere.
Yeah, like if like those two maybe there was like a 2, 4, like all
Okay.
of them different numbers.
So let's say that there was a 4, then
Yes, ma'am.
we'd be looking at 2, 4, and 3. So if we needed a lowest common denominator of those 3 numbers, then our lowest common denominator would have to be 12. It wouldn't be able to be 6. So we're just going to look at whatever our lowest common denominator is, depending on the numbers that we're given, and then we
Okay,
work
ma'am.
from there. Okay,
Okay, ma'am, I understand.
cool. Cool. Okay, let's take a quick brain break and then we will jump back into some more. There was a solve for x. The x was to the power of a number, but they said we should solve it, but I forgot something. But how? That's not giving me much to work with here. But we are going to get to some exponential questions just now, so maybe that will answer what you're looking for. Okay, let's do a quick brain break. Ooh. Okay, I've got the same things that we did on Tuesday, so they're dingbats. We've got 3 more. We'll see how they go. Yeah, just give them your best shots. Okay, as soon as you have an answer, type them in the chat, and we'll see who gets it right first. That's your first one.
I think Mohau has a question on the chat for you.
Let me have a look. It's not welcome, Karen. Yeah, Mohau, I'm not too sure what you're asking, but I'm hoping that when we do some exponentials that I'll be able to answer what's there. But Karen, it's Amber, yes.
Oh wow, this is
nice.
welcome back.
Well done. It's welcome back.
Welcome written in backwards.
It's written backwards.
Oh, these ones are so lame.
Nice job, Amber. You got that so quickly. Jasmine's just like, no. Nope. Nope. Not for me. Okay. Let's try another one. One of these ones is really tricky. It took me a while. Maybe you guys will get it really quickly though. Okay. Okay. This one's not too hard. Don't overthink this one. Nope. Nope. No. No.
I don't
No.
even know it.
No. No. No, no. So close, Pumeza. Think of the phrase that you would use with it. It's so close. You're like very, very, very close. Marilla, I'll give it to you. It's something along the right ideas. So we've got 2 people who are very close here. Jasmine, hello.
Is it jumping to conclusion?
No, that would be a great picture though. But no, this one's not jumping to conclusions. But there are a couple of you who are sort of very, very close. You just maybe aren't getting the letters exactly right, but you're very, very close. Pumeza was, I think, the closest so far. Pumeza, can you tell us what you think it is?
I thought you were like someone like with a high IQ or like jump queue.
Yes. Okay. So think about jump queue. It's just very close. Instead of jump queue, it's jumping the queue. So it's just like when you move in front of someone, jumping the queue. Yeah. But you were very close. You were very, very close.
I really did not. I didn't know that.
You did
This
super
one was
well
hard
though.
for me.
Yeah. Nice job. Ayavunga was also close. Yeah. When you jump the queue, so like when you jumping the queue, when you move in front of someone in the queue.
Yeah,
That's
but
why
we
someone said
skipped the
skip the
queue.
queue. And
This
so I
is not
wanted to give them a
fair.
mark.
Yeah, we skipped.
Alvarez,
Don't
bring the
jump
maths
the
back.
queue.
Okay, let's try one more and then we'll jump back into our maths. Oh, I didn't actually put the super hard one here there tonight.
These are really hard.
Yeah, this is not no TV. Mm-mm.
They're like
No,
TV.
no.
So
Stop
many.
watching PG. No. Someone got it. Here we go. I saw it. It's a stopwatch. Like you watch that, like you stop and you time people when they do like running and things. It's a stopwatch.
Stopwatch.
You know those like big ones which have the time on it and like the little buttons. Because this is stop and this is watch.
This is so lame.
Ah, good times. Okay, let's jump back into some maths. Now that I've tortured you for long enough. Okay, so Mahau, I'm hoping that this question actually is going to land up sort of sorting out what you were thinking earlier. I don't feel stupid, Latabo. Never, never, never here. Maba, I don't know what word I was saying there. I will bring you more on Tuesday, I promise. Amber, hello.
I want to give this one a try.
This one, okay, great.
Yes.
Can
So-
I can I wait? Ask you to wait, like just
Yes, sure.
even a minute, just to give people a go.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so yeah, sorry, Marby, I don't know what I did to your name there earlier. It just came out in like one big blur. Okay, so give this one your best go, guys. And then Amber's gonna answer this one for us.
We can do it. I see Chero Fato is so chilled in there. Chero, are you trying it? Hey, my guy, are you busy trying the sum day? Let's do this.
Okay, Amber, we are all yours when you are ready.
Okay, I'm not too sure, but the first answer is 3x. No, like 3 to exponent 3x minus 5.
Yeah,
And then it's equal to 3 to exponent 5.
beautiful, perfect. Okay, so even if we were panicking in an exam just for getting that point, we've got 1 mark, so that's great. Okay,
So
next
now
line.
you're gonna drop the 3's and say
Good.
3x minus 5 is equal to 5.
Perfect.
And then I think you're gonna move the 3x one side and then take the 5 and move it to the other side of the equal sign.
Cool.
So 3x is equal to 5 plus 5.
Good.
So 3x is equal to 10, and then I think you divide, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah,
by
yeah.
3.
Good.
So then I didn't wait. So 3x, so that'll be x is equal to 3,3.
Okay, so when you have a fraction like this as an answer, just leave
You
it as
leave
a
it.
fraction. Yeah. But beautiful, Amber, that was great. Well done. Nice.
you.
Well done,
Yay.
Amber. That was really nice.
Woo!
You did it, girl.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, Mohau, hello. Can we help?
Ma'am, for the answer, is it fine if we would leave it as a mixed fraction?
It's not the end of the world, but it's best to leave things as improper fractions unless you were dealing with a story sum.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Next. Sichle, how can I help?
Ma'am, sorry, but I'm a little confused. How did she get 3 to the power 5?
Okay, so on your calculator, you can use your calculator if you want to. Basically, what you do is you put in 243, you push equals, you push shift, and then you push the button that has like, it looks almost like that, and then above it, it says fact, and it will give you what that is in prime exponents. So you can use your calculator. Otherwise, we know we need a base of 3. So we can say 3 to the power of 1 is 3, 3 to the power of 2 is 9, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, 3 to the power of 4 is 81, 3 to the power of 5 is 243. Does that make sense? Oh, I've lost you. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay. Who is next here? Pumeza, hi, can I help? Sorry, Alvarez, I don't know why I unmuted you. I think it was, I was trying to unmute someone else. Yeah, the calculator can do so many things, Ayabunga. It's like our best friend. We love our calculators. We have to
That's
try and
all the
take away
calculations for us.
the whole of primary school where they tell us that we're not allowed to use our calculators and calculators are bad. We have to just try and forget that and now think our calculators are our friends. We love our calculators. Change our mindsets about our calculators.
Yeah, I wonder why are we taught in primary that we shouldn't use calculators?
It's so silly. Calculators are our friends. We like them. Okay, let's jump to, and that one's too easy for you guys. How nice. We haven't done a quadratic yet. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Okay.
Tiana's with us.
Nati, Pumeza. Okay, Nati, we are all yours. Can you talk us through this one?
Okay, ma'am. So this is a quadratic.
Good. Okay.
Now, take the 3 over, so that everything equals to 0.
Beautiful. Okay, so because it's a
So
quadratic,
it's
we
gonna
want
be
everything
x
to equal to
squared
0.
4x left with the trinomial.
Good.
So in the first bracket, we're gonna have x plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
Then in the second bracket, we're gonna have x plus 1 equals to 0.
Perfect.
Next step is x plus 3 equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0.
Good. Okay.
So
my
the
final
final
answers?
answer is x equals to -3 and x equals to -1.
Yes, well
Go,
done.
well done,
Nice
Tiana.
job. Tiana, you're giving credit. That was a Nazi.
Oh,
Sure, Yolanda.
I started.
Sure.
Unati, well done.
Unati, she took all of your glory away from you.
Was it
Just gave
Unati
it
1?
straight to
Oh,
Tiana.
was it Unati 1 or Unati 2?
Unati 1. Unati 2
well
hasn't been here for the
done.
holidays.
Well done, Unati 1. I'm so sorry, girl. You got it. You got
Yeah, Tiana, she's just giving you free
I
points.
do, Tiana.
Okay, we are actually only going to do one more question together, guys, and then we're going to talk about some stuff. We're going to do this one. It's nice and easy one. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Happy, happy days.
Yeah, don't worry. I can't sing to Sigma.
Oh, no, me either.
More happy at this percentage.
Morby, how? How is it even humanly possible? How is that possible? Okay, Tiana, I gave the last one to Unati. This one is yours.
Okay, so ma'am, we're gonna do factorization.
We are going to do factorization.
Highest common factor.
Yes.
Let's go.
So first we're gonna look for the highest common factor, which is x.
Good.
Okay, now it's going to take this x. That means in the brackets is going to be x minus 2 equals
Good.
0.
Perfect.
And then we're going to say x equals 0, I think.
Good. Good. Remember, we can't
X
forget about that guy.
equals
Nice.
Or x equals 2.
Good. 100%.
Well done, girl. You see,
Yes.
you deserve the glory.
Oh, you guys did that so quickly. I'm actually going to give you one more question to do. Just one more. Just a little baby one. Just a little baby question.
That's a really
Bobby, hello.
Hi, ma'am.
How can I help?
Ma'am, this is regarding my battery percentage.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I don't know which Apple store I bought this from. I think it's the one in Mall of Africa, but the iPhone 13 battery is just going crazy now.
I just don't understand how you're on -1%. That doesn't make sense to me.
Ma'am, I'm on -3 now.
No, that doesn't make sense. I mean, 0 is 0. 0 is 0 for a reason. It's crazy.
I mean, I bought this at the Apple store, so I don't know how this is fake.
Clearly, like their 0 is actually like -10.
Yeah, I know, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys. Let's do. Oh, actually, now it's sort of 20-ish too. Okay. Okay. We're going to talk about how next term is going to work. So I'm just going to show you some information, and then we're going to give you a time to ask as many questions as you would like to ask. Okay, so you can ask them on the chat, or you can put your hand up to ask. But basically, whatever you would like to know, this is your time to ask, and Yolanda and I will help you sort of answer everything as you would like to know. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down to some.